Want to earn passive income with your phone? Here are 5 apps to start building digital assets. No skills needed. 1. Uprock, earn crypto by sharing your internet. Just install it and let it run. 2. Honeygain, get paid for unused data. Set it. Forget it. 3. U2U network, share your connection and earn Web3 tokens. 4. Pawns app, earn by sharing bandwidth and taking short surveys. 5. 375 go, get rewarded just for walking or driving. All links are in the description below. Start stacking assets today.